I ate a pig balls before. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Seabourne's Kitchen. I'm your girl Vanessa. For today's video, I'll be making pineapple mango habanero wings. These chicken have been washed in vinegar, drained, so you know I'm gonna season. So I have my jerk seasoning. Then I'm coming in with the paprika. It's a baking powder. Our Maggi chicken seasoning. Maggi all-purpose. And make a mix. I'm gonna make this marinade. Alright, so I'm going to add a bit of flour there, add some more baking powder, add some of the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, the chicken seasoning as well, paprika, mix. Oil is on, so I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit hotter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lightly flour these. Let's put one side there. Right there. Shake. Dropping it in. For about 10 to 15 minutes. It's coming on quite nicely so far. I have some pineapples here. I'm just going to go ahead and slice, because I'm going to go ahead and put these in the blender. And it is sauce time, guys. All right, guys. What I'll be using is I'll have mango juice instead. So I don't have the. It's not mango time, so I had to get the mango juice for substitute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the pineapple in the blend. I'm gonna add the pineapple to the blender. Ooh. I'm gonna add pepper, hot pepper, guys. I'm gonna add the mango juice. So this is the sauce. I'm just waiting on the wings to finish fry, so we can go ahead and finish the sauce. So this is what I have so far. Alright, guys, so we still have some chicken I fry, but in the meantime I'm gonna make the sauce. So turn that down on a low flame. I'm going to add lime juice, some apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to add some honey, then just stir everything in. Cut the sauce, guys. Woo-hoo. Smells really nice. I'm just going to let that simmer. Also, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Stir, stir, stir. Remember, guys, to have it on low flame because you don't want it to stick. Alright, guys, so the sauce is almost there. It's getting a bit thick, and that is what I want. I'm just gonna let it stay there until it gets a little bit thicker. The consistency is there that I want, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the sauce to my chicken, and then we're gonna serve. All right, so I'm going to add my chicken. Guys, if you don't want your chicken this dark, don't use the jerk seasoning, but that's okay for me. I'm just gonna add my chicken. All right, so I'm going to add the sauce. Just look at that, guys. Well hot. Dan minabar.